So guys, I wanted to show you guys how I make my pizza crust today. Um, I've tried so many different crusts. Sometimes I feel like doughy pizza with lots of topping and cheese. Sometimes I feel like nice crusty crust with just simple ingredient as tomatoes and mozzarella cheese and basils. But so I've made a lot of different recipe for making pizza crust, but what I wanted to show you today is by far my favorite. I wanted to share with you guys all. I will put a link recipe below on my description where I got this pizza crust. Thank you so much for this delicious pizza crust recipe sharing with everyone, and include me and whoever is watching right now. I hope you guys enjoy this pizza crust. I hope you do make it sometimes at home to see how delicious and easy to make homemade pizza. So this recipe comes from ciaoflorentina.com. Thank you, Florentina. I appreciate you sharing beautiful recipe.